Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with the H26 Pro and I just connected it to the app looking for a new update, and yes, definitely here we have it already. You just touch on it and it will give you the full list of all of the changes. Let me tell you, 17 in this new firmware update. So let's go ahead and check them real quick and let's see what they all are about. Alright, but first of all, we're going from the Watch OS version 1.00.65 to the newest one, 1.00.69. What is new? Well, number one, fix an issue where frequent button click caused the watch face to fail to display. Now, I want to be clear on this. Maybe not all of you are having those issues, something that you had to have in mind. Number two, increase the timeout for the DFU command to allow reception, fixing occasional file reception failures. Number three, the 4-inch tray version does not display stock information. The Watch App Store hides dual payment, WeChat payment option, etc. Number four, fixed an occasional WeChat voice messages crash caused by an error when opening a file. Very important for those that use WeChat. Remember, they've been working on this app, I will say, a lot. You're not able not just to receive your audios and pictures, but you can also send something pretty cool. But it seems like some people were having problems. They fixed that issue. Number five, fix the issue where clicking the first option on the phone page would dial a number. I don't know what exactly it's talking about. I didn't have that problem at all. So like I said, maybe not all of you having the same problem. Update the app list for photos, games, and calendar. Real quick, if we go right here, let me see. Here we have the photo app, calendar, and games. Even if you put it on list view, first you will have the photo app right below the calendar, but the games are all the way down here. And well, you can see how the icons look. Number 7, modify the motion lock function prompt to be multilingual. Number 8, add a media audio switch to the sound settings. Real quick, if we go right here, settings, then sound and touch, we only have the silent mode switch, volume control, and the vibration strength. Number 9, optimize it multilingual display on cards page. At this point, I'm not sure if it is talking about these ones right here or the ones right here, but you see still some words in Chinese. Number 10, no pop-up message appear when receiving messages from the same contact in a WeChat chat. Number 11, change the weather background. Right now, as you see, we had this one. If we touch on it, still not showing the information. Number 12, fix the issue of a shadow on the fitness record ring. About this one, I'm not sure what it's talking about, but we'll see. Number 13, updated the control center icons, adding a cellular network icon. If we go real quick on the shortcut center, as you see, we have the Bluetooth icon. Then to switch the apps menu all the way on top, well, you can see it right there. We do not count with the cellular network icon yet. Number 14, resolve issues with the adding and repeating alarms. All right, let's see. Right at this moment, you can change the time with your fingers, but if you try with the crown, it doesn't work. But especially if you try to switch to PM when you save it, it goes right on AM by itself. And it seems some people having problems with the repeating of the alarms. Number 15, modify the background on the control center and notification interface. If we go right here, something that I like is how you can just turn the crown and it will pull down the notification center, but you can see how it looks. Well, real quick, let's send one. There we go. Now, if I pull down, you can see it right there. And right here, let's see the background. Then we had updated the album, sleep, and locations icon. If we go right here real quick, the sleep icon, you can see it clear right there. The album one and location. Now remember, this is just to show you your location. It doesn't do it on the map. It just says where you are. And finally, number 17, optimize several user feedback issues. Alright, so it seems like there will be a lot of things on this new firmware update. So let's go ahead and do it real quick. I don't know how long it's going to take. Right here, all you have to do is touch where it says update now and wait for the whole process. First, it will upload it, then install it, restart the smartwatch. So make sure you don't do nothing while that process is ongoing. So perfect. Let's start the update. I will pause the video and I'll be right back. It seems like it will take around 5 minutes, maybe more, so make sure you have enough battery on your smartphone and your smartwatch. And well, friends, the process is finished. If we go right here real quick, you can see we're running the watchOS version 1.00.69, the newest one. Now let's see the changes. First of all, if we turn this way, yes, the notification control background has changed. Remember, it was completely dark. Now we have those colors like blur out. If we go on the control center, yes, also the background has changed, but they didn't add, like they said, the cellular icon. If we go on edit, no, we don't find it anywhere here neither. Which one we talking about? Let's bring its big brother, this one right here. It should be added, but as you see, we don't have it yet. They say they will add it. I don't know what happened there, but we don't count with it yet. The background, yes, it was changed. The other change that we were talking about was on the icons. Definitely, they had changed. Look, the position one, completely different. Also the sleep one, yep, now even the color is different. The photo album and calendar. Also, now when we go on the stack widgets, you can see now it does show the words in English. Now real quick, let's go to settings and see if that feature was added. Yeah, definitely. Media audio, you have it right here. Now you can turn it on, turn it off. If you have it on, everything you play on your smartphone, the media sound will come out through the smartwatch speaker, so like right now. But in case you turn it off, the sound will stay on the smartphone. And very important, as you see, the player works, but this is on iOS. If you had the media sound turned off and you're connected to an Android device, sadly the player right here doesn't work. Keep that in mind. I hope they fix that soon. See, this is what I mean. It doesn't work. Now, if you turn it on, yes, you will be able to control everything, but remember the sound will go through your smartwatch speaker. Now, real quick, let's go to sports and see if they fix that problem. Remember how before you can activate these different training views, but once you start, didn't work. I think I show you, but let's see right now when you start your training. Yep. If you turn the crown, there you have the different visualizations. So it seems like they fixed this problem right here. And the other problem that was fixed was here on the alarms. Now, when you add one, look, the interface looks different, but let's see, yeah, it's different. Remember how you had AM, PM before? Now you turn the crown. Yes, finally it works. You can switch the time and minutes, turning the crown one way or the other. And if you want to go PM, see right there 12, then 13, 14, make sure you are on this side. But definitely when you save it, it will stay that way. Turn on the alarm, and right here, in case you want to activate the bedtime, that way it can give you alerts. Yes, you can go ahead and do it. So finally, this problem right here was fixed. Now, sadly, tech friends, the weather app wasn't fixed. Here it is. It's still not displaying any information. And I repeat, sadly, if we go right here on apps, they didn't added that second app for weather that it really works. I show you in the H26 Ultra Plus unboxing, and I was expecting really badly that they added the WhatsApp Lite app, but they didn't. So you're not gonna be able to reply on this H26 Pro yet. And sorry about that, after I made the unboxing video on this H26, after that they fixed that problem. See, you had two different WhatsApp apps right here. All you can do is check the messages, but right here, WhatsApp Lite, right here, you are able to answer to your WhatsApp messages. What am I talking about? Well, let me show you here real quick. You see, you receive your notification right here on WhatsApp Lite. It tells you the contact's name, how many messages you have. You touch on it. You can touch again to read the whole message. It could be long, it's not a problem, but if you swipe this way, as you see, you can quick reply with an emoji. It offers you so many where to choose from. Also, you have quick replies and voice to text. So sorry guys that I didn't show you this feature on the unboxing video, but like I said, it didn't work right in that moment. But after that, they fixed that problem, and now yes, you can reply with your H26 Ultra Plus to your WhatsApp messages. Let's go again. Let me show you real quick. That way you can see that yes, it does work. Let's send an emoji here. You can see how it's right there already. And well, friends, that's it for this video. The noticeable changes they did. I think that's it. Of course, you will have some other ones you might find out in your daily use. I'm gonna leave this video right here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please take care, and I'll see you in the next one.